I know you're procrastinating on your shifting journey. Yes, motherfucker. I read the comments. However, what if I told you that you can use procrastination to your advantage? Use procrastination to make you shift. It doesn't matter why you're doing it. All that matters is that you know what I'm about to tell you next. First of all, procrastination is normal, and no need to feel ashamed of doing so. I get it. That day to day life gets in the way, and we have to focus on so many tasks that it's inevitable. We're going to forget to do some things, and that will continue to happen. However, there's no such thing as having no time for your journey. Make time then. Can't do it during the day? Okay. What about 2 to 3 hours before you go to sleep? Even 1 hour is something, is better than nothing. Or you can wake up earlier in the morning, a few hours before your usual time, and attempt to shift there. Maybe go to bed earlier. Can't do it every day? No problem. But is 2 to 3 times a week possible for you? Really take time to think. With all due respect, so you have the time to complain about not making progress or saying you're procrastinating, but you don't have the time to actually attempt to shift during that moment. This is not a personal attack by any means, cause sometimes I do it too. Not for shifting, I'm super locked in on that, because my life literally depends on it. But as far as normal tasks go, like washing my bed sheets, doing the dishes, or vacuuming the floor, I procrastinate too and whine about doing it. Remember, guys, I'm just like all of you, a human being. However, here's how you can compensate for that and use it to help you. You do that by giving yourself rewards, because us humans are usually more driven when we actually have something to earn. Let's just say you're procrastinating right now. Okay, the first thing you can do is set a schedule on when you're going to attempt to shift. Whether it's every day, 2 to 3 times a week, maybe it's 50 times a day, 50 times in one day. It doesn't really matter. All of this, of course, depends on you and your own personal preference and circumstances, as long as you don't try to bite off more than you can chew or do less than what you're capable of. The most important thing, though, is you do have to commit to it. So once you start your shifting schedule and actually are consistent with it, by the end of the week, after you did a great job, treat yourself to something. Whether it's a brand new shirt or pants, an action figure if you're a toy collector like myself, a video game, or if you're not materialistic, maybe go to your favorite restaurant and have your favorite food. Either way, give yourself something to earn by the end of the week. Doesn't even have to be anything spendy. You can go visit your comfort character's variant from the next life that also has a version of them that exists here. That's free. Wishful thinking. I know, we all want the treat to be a successful full shift to our desired reality. I want it, you want it, but that actually kind of validates what I'm saying. Your rewards that you treat yourself to could be something DR related, whether it's material or a location that exists in your desired reality. Hell, buy yourself a scented candle for all I care that you will have in your DR once you spawn in the room there. You get the point. Yep, you get it. Yeah, I hear stories about people doing that. Let's just say, for example, if somebody wants their DR room to smell like vanilla, they'll just buy a vanilla scented candle and have it in their room. And When they attempt to shift, they can use that to their advantage into tricking their mind into believing they're already in their DR. You're going to keep doing this until you successfully make it. The reason why we procrastinate is because we feel like we're going to get nothing from doing the task. But once we actually have something to look forward to after the task, that's what triggers our dopamine system in our brain to get us moving. So if you're someone who has been working hard on your journey every day, but get intrusive thoughts that demotivate you, well, maybe you have something to earn that will keep you going. But honestly, if I was you, I'd cut myself some slack and be nice to yourself. Progress is progress. Celebrate every single little thing. I don't even consider that stuff procrastinating, but to the real procrastinators out there, like those with good goals but no energy to take action, it's not too late to make a change. Forget the past because time doesn't exist. The most important thing is that you're here now, and hopefully you take my message to heart. Good luck on shifting to your desired reality, guys, and so far, my journey has been going good. And cut.